I got something to show you guys that's gonna start the video after the end of this video, because you know, true fashion, a Target Design / garage mods and build style, we don't just do a project in just one video. We can, who does that anyway? People who line, I tell you. But hey, yeah, I'm about to get him the camera, and I got a surprise for y'all for the next 240 video. Package. I already opened the package because I was excited. You know what I'm saying? I was hyped up. I had to show some people, but I'm gonna show y'all now.
Stop moving so fast.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm excited.
They can't see it yet. They can't see it yet.
No, because it's all wrapped up like it should be. It's like a present. You know, presents come wrapped up. Look at that, boy. Look at that, boy. Hey, I'm just gonna tell you, boy. Let's see how it fits. Let's see how it fits. Come on. Let's see how it fit. We got. Look like we got some fitment issues. Nah, we just playing. Nah, ain't no fitment issue. Hold on. Hold on. We're just gonna put one nut on there for now. Okay, hold it in place because it's about to feel a lot of weight. It's gonna feel a lot of pressure on it. You know what I'm saying?
A lot of boost pressure.
Bruh, tell you what, I'm gonna hold that while you go grab that. Hey. Go ahead and grab that. Nah. Grab it, bruh. Grab it. You know what I'm saying? Come on.
Nah, what you doing?
Let me get it. You
Like,
take that.
I ain't never held a turbo in my life
Oh,
before.
boy. Ooh, right where she's supposed to sit.
Hey, yo,
Right?
hey, you.
Where?
No. You hold the camera. You hold the camera.
Why?
And take a step. Take a step back. All right. Hold the camera and then stand right there. Hold up.
Boy,
Look at that.
boy, look at that. Look. She's so pretty. Oh.
Hey, yo.
Man, I'm just telling you. I didn't know I didn't buy this Manifold in the first place, but I'm glad I did now.
You look so dope.
Bro, hey. Alright, so the Manifold for the 240 is here. The one I should have bought in the beginning. It's here. So now we can continue on with mocking up intercooler piping and downpipe. Because now look at all this room. Look at all that room. See
Can't
that?
be doing that after the car got done running.
Hold on.
Hey, yo.
It ain't much room, but
Hey, yo. Hold on.
ooh, that's a tight fit. But we're gonna work it out. So, I told y'all 2 videos this week. It's the second one. There you go. The Manifold came in for the 240. I ain't gonna install it yet because we still gotta finish up on this. I need this on the ground under its own power no later than Friday. Today's Sunday. So we got a good head start because that goes to the shop. Not this week coming, the following week to get his heart put back in.
Also, I got some parts for that.
I ain't seen that part yet, but he said he got him. But hey, appreciate y'all watching. As always, thank you. Subscribe, comment, hit that thumbs up. Let's get the interaction, get me the algorithm, and we're good. Don't forget, it's all straight hustle.
You should add
No luck.
+2 members to VQ family, because look at this, bruh. Look at this.
Hey, y'all. Hey, appreciate y'all. I'm hyped as hell. That box came in, so it's back onto 240 things. Love y'all. Catch y'all next video.
Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst I say and turn them to a game. Take the best I say and put them on display on repeat.